making the oxtails, braising them in the Dutch oven right now. Just trying to cook some of that fat. Looks like we took on some water. It needs to be empty because it's not going to fry it right. It's supposed to sear it. Just trying to sear the oxtails before we put them in the oven. Garlic. Onion and bell pepper. Onion and bell pepper. Seasoning. We got salt, a little dash. Scotch bonnet pepper is the pepper of the Jamaicans. A favorite pepper. And we got some browning. Gotta have some browning. Got some turmeric, salt, and we got some cracked pepper. And garlic and onions down in there. Maybe add some Scotch bonnet and some browning. Scotch bonnet is a hot pepper sauce. It is the hot pepper of the Jamaicans. And we got some browning seasoning. Always make stuff turn out fabulous. You have to be careful with it because the browning seasoning, you know, if you overdo it, it could be too brown. So when you use browning, just make sure that you kind of eyeball it good. My voice sounds deep because I have a cold right now. Ready to put them in the oven. Get some of that tea kettle water. It smells so delicious. Just braising them, the oxtails, before we put them in the oven with some herbs and some seasonings and some fried in a little bacon grease too. In the Dutch oven. Now we're about to add some water and stick it in the oven for about 2 hours. And I'm going to have to make 2 videos because I haven't done the editing yet part. So this is 2 parts of this. It was actually a 3-part because I showed you guys how to wash the oxtails and let them soak in vinegar and water so you can get the blood off. Try to get as much as blood as you could off of them. My husband taught me that. Okay. Gotta kind of submerge them so that all around them they get even all around together. Beautiful. Okay, we put these puppies in the oven. Put a little bit more browning on there. Let me give you some more water.
That's seasoned water right there, baby. Raw.
Put a little browning seasoning. Raw from what?
That's just from the meat, the raw meat.
Okay, put these in the oven for about 2 hours. Make some blueberry muffins, some cabbage. I'm gonna add some potatoes cut up in 4s, and I'm gonna add some carrots, and I'm gonna add some cabbage, and I'm gonna add some potatoes cut up in 4. But that won't be until it's almost done. So, got the top on it. put it in the oven. It's Malvin and Nicole's kitchen. Our way. Oxtails.